Vestige Lite House Rice Bran Oil is a product by the company Vestige, a leading direct selling company that provides a wide range of high quality products. Rice bran oil is a type of vegetable oil that is extracted from the outer layer of rice, which is known as rice bran. This oil is rich in nutrients and is considered to be one of the healthiest oils available in the market. One of the main reasons for the popularity of Vestige Lite House Rice Bran Oil is its health benefits. Rice bran oil contains a high amount of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining good health. These fatty acids help to lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve heart health. Another reason why Vestige Lite House Rice Bran Oil is a popular choice is because of its unique taste and aroma. The oil has a mild, nutty flavor that enhances the taste of dishes, making them more delicious and enjoyable. The light, delicate aroma of the oil adds to the overall appeal of the food, making it even more tempting. In addition to its health benefits and unique taste, Vestige Lite House Rice Bran Oil is also highly versatile. It can be used for a wide range of cooking purposes, such as stir-frying, baking, deep frying, and more. This versatility makes it an ideal choice for busy individuals who are looking for an oil that is easy to use and can be incorporated into their daily cooking routine. Another important feature of Vestige Lite House Rice Bran Oil is its high smoke point. This means that the oil can be heated to high temperatures without producing any harmful smoke or fumes. This makes it ideal for cooking dishes that require high heat, such as stir-frying, deep frying, and grilling. Vestige Lite House Rice Bran Oil is also an environmentally friendly option. Rice bran oil is made from a renewable source, which means that it has a lower carbon footprint compared to other types of oils. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals who are looking for ways to reduce their impact on the environment. In terms of packaging, Vestige Lite House Rice Bran Oil is available in 2 liters. It can be used for 4.5 to 5 liters. In 2 liters take maximum benefit with quality. This makes it easy for consumers to choose the size that best suits their needs, whether they are cooking for one person or for a large family. Finally, Vestige Lite House Rice Bran Oil is affordable, making it accessible to a wide range of individuals. With its unique combination of health benefits, unique taste, versatility, high smoke point, environmental friendliness, and affordability, it is no wonder that Vestige Lite House Rice Bran Oil is a popular choice among consumers. In conclusion, Vestige Lite House Rice Bran Oil is a product that offers a wide range of health benefits, unique taste and aroma, versatility, high smoke point, environmental friendliness, and affordability. With its numerous advantages, it is no wonder that this product has become a popular choice among consumers, and is sure to continue to be so in the future.